Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are backtesting GJ for London session. So I went over my journals from last month and the month before that, and I literally all day today, I literally just fucking went over the wins, went over the losses, what did all the wins have in common, what did all the losses have in common, stuff like that. And to be honest with you guys, this is so stupid, this is such a rookie mistake. Turns out with this strategy, daily bias does matter. I know I can still get a trade off. For example, if 4 hours bearish and 1 hour is bearish, and I can still technically go for a buy, but all the best trades I've done, all the clean trades I've done were were aligned with the bias, which is it's a given, man. So we're gonna backtest London session. So first thing I want to do is, and I actually backtested weeks. So today I just had work. I literally just finished work. So today I backtested a bunch. Now let's get into this. So London session, we'll backtest the London session, and we'll see using our our logic. So we mark out our highs and lows. Bro, honestly, and like I was also looking at other trades. Like another thing I've realized, I'm very, I was about to say a very bad word. I'm very picky. Not picky. Is picky the right word? I'm very silly with my stop loss. I feel like I'd place it a bit too low. All right, getting into this trade, we were bullish on the 4 hourly, and we were also bullish on the 1 hourly. Now let's see how this trade would have worked out. So initially we're looking for buys. True. So let's see how this would have played out. Now the only time we can realistically go for a sell is if we see full confirmation that price wants to push low. So we'll see what happens. So price comes in, we touch into the high. We're already bearish, so initially we're waiting for a break of structure to the downside. We see inverses of this gap. We see this high made. This is a break of structure. Do we see any imbalances get filled? No, not really. We rejected equilibrium. Honestly, we could have... So yeah, in this instance, I would not even go for a sell. We could have been greedy and probably found a sell position. Like if we go to our... here, even then, I don't know. So I think we could have gone for a sell, but I don't know. The market, guys, is pushing higher. However, we seem to be making a downtrend here. This is an interesting thing. So we break structure to the upside, then we break structure again to the downside. This is just too far-fetched. Bang, high, we break structure to the upside. That's not really an imbalance. In theory, I probably could have found a trade here because we have this low, that high, equilibrium. Go long here, set my stops at that low or below the equilibrium. We'll say like 5.9. Yep. And then I could have targeted highs. So that high... that would have been insane, but we wouldn't. We could have targeted this fair value gap, and then that literally would have hit. So it's probably better if we genuinely do trade with the bias. Let's see if we can find a sell, for a sell. Okay, so we come down, we break structure to the downside, we touch in, definitely bearish structure. I guess you could say that we inversed this whole entire gap. Like we came in, we got out of it, then we revisited it. I don't see any like confluence really meeting unless there was like I don't know. So I feel like that was the trade, low key. And we wouldn't have gotten stopped out. So yeah, guys, that's the recap for the back test. So definitely I'm going to actually try and trade with the bias if they are not matching. So let's say the 4 hour and the 1 hour are different. So 4 hours bullish, 1 hour's bearish. I will just wait for a 15-minute break of structure. So a bit of a different story. And we'll go from there. So market, opens, New York opens in about an hour. So I'm going to upload this video. And yeah, so literally today I did so much fucking work just looking over my journals, looking over all my losses and all my wins, the win rate for the months, and the win rate with the trades that were bearish. Sorry, the trades that the high time frame bias matched, what was the win rate, and the trades that the high time frame bias didn't match, what was the win rate. I literally dived into this shit deep as fuck, so deep. Anyway, fuck, bro, I'm actually tweaking. So yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Well, not for today, it's the video for now. I hope you guys understood the point I was trying to get across. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and I will see you all. Have a nice life. I don't know. I'll see you guys soon. I'll probably enter a trade in about an hour, hopefully. So see you later, everyone.